Hi, my name is Kelsey Welton, and I work for the St. Luke's Hospital Network of Care in St. Louis, Missouri. We are a non-for-profit, faith-based healthcare provider that is committed to improving the quality of life for our patients in the communities we serve. As part of that commitment, this video will present how to use and navigate the My St. Luke's patient portal. My St. Luke's is a secure online tool that is convenient and easy to access 24/7 so you can see your personal healthcare records. You can request appointments and communicate directly to your healthcare team, which can provide you an even healthier life. And now we will have Greg Pence, an Assistant Director in our Information Services Department, present the portal to you.
Hello, my name is Greg Pence, and I work for the St. Luke's Network of Care in the St. Louis region. We are a nonprofit healthcare provider committed to improving the quality of life for our patients and the community. As a part of that commitment, I'm here to present My St. Luke's, how to use the patient portal. Thanks for joining me. What you will learn why using the My St. Luke's portal is beneficial, how to gain access and navigate to My St. Luke's, where to find the My St. Luke's portal, how to install and use the app, and privacy, safety, and the appropriateness of using My St. Luke's. Benefits of using My St. Luke's. You can communicate directly with your physicians. You can view and request appointments. You can view visit summaries, health records, and test results. And receive notifications from the portal emailed directly to you. And you can pay your bill online. How to sign up. You can sign up by downloading the patient enrollment form and faxing it in, or visiting a participating physician office, or visiting the hospital patient registration area. Each My St. Luke's portal account needs a unique email address. If you share an email address with a spouse or family member, you will need to allow proxy access. Where to find My St. Luke's? St. Luke's homepage, www.stlukes-stl.com. You can find it under the drop-down on the right side of the main page. Click Log On if you have access and you'll be directed to the proper site. What is included on My St. Luke's? There's messaging, the ability to view and request an appointment, there's bill pay, and the ability to securely send your health records to other healthcare organizations. There's your health records, clipboards, which are information needed for upcoming appointments, education resources, and a Find a Doctor link. Navigating My St. Luke's. We will now show you the portal. While in the portal, you will find quick links found on the top center part of the page. From this section, you can send a message, you can view visit summaries, you can find a doctor with quick links to St. Luke's website, you can pay your bill online, and you can get clipboard alerts. These are alerts that will show you if a clipboard request is waiting for completion. Menu bar on the left side. On the left side of My St. Luke's portal, there's a menu bar. The first link, My St. Luke's logo, can be clicked anytime you want to come back to the home page. There's also a quick link to stlukes-stl.com. This quick access allows you to get to St. Luke's website for more information about classes, events, and services. The Health Record Navigation section. In the Health Record Navigation section, you'll have your health profile. This provides quick access to your current medications, immunizations, current allergies, and health issues. There's also the Results section. This provides quick access to view lab results filtered by date. Please keep in mind that some results of a sensitive nature may not be displayed. Documents. The Documents section of the Health Record Navigation section is a section that includes access to patient education, inpatient and outpatient summaries. To view the document, click on the document file name or download a document onto your computer. Medication section. This allows you quick access to your current medications. Procedure section. In the procedure section, you'll have all of your past surgical histories. There's also the visit summaries. Visit summaries provide access to view off-site, clinic, outpatient, and inpatient summaries. To view, click on the visit summary file name. Send health record information. Within the portal, you have the ability to send your health records via the Direct system, which is a secured email system used to transmit health information to participating organizations and individuals. Diagnostic Results. You have the ability to see all of your diagnostic results. To view, click on the document file name. Click on the Download button to download the report onto your computer. You can do the same for pathology results. The patient has the option to view or download results to their computer, or they can share the results to a different doctor. Microbiology provides quick access to microbiology results. Patients have the option to view or download results to their computer. They can also share their results with a different doctor. Messaging section. Under the messaging section, you can see the inbox, the sent box, and the trash options. In the inbox, the portal will send a notification to your email and your HealthyELife mobile app if there's a new message in your portal. There'll be a message count, which will display next to your messaging and inbox sections. You also can display changes that can be made via filtering the inbox, which will show all of your portal messages. Sent section. All of your outgoing messages from the portal will be displayed here. You also can check the status if your physician office viewed your messages in this section. Reviewed. Once a physician office has opened your message, the status will be updated to reviewed. Unopened. Physician office has not yet opened the message if it's in this status. Trash. This shows all of the deleted messages. Sending a message to your doctor. Click on the Send a Message quick link, or from the inbox section, select a message. When you send a message to your doctor, your name will be automatically populated in the From field, unless you have proxy access to another family's member account. If you do have proxy access to another member's account, you will see a drop-down list with yourself and all the other proxy access members in your family. Type in your doctor's name by entering his or her last name in the To field. Relevant results are displayed as you enter text. Type in your message in the message box. Click on Send. Appointments. To display information about upcoming appointments, click the appointment link on the left-hand side and click on the View Upcoming Appointments. If an appointment is scheduled, clinic details will be displayed. Note, reschedule and cancel appointment options send a message to the physician's clinic but does not change the clinic schedule automatically. Patients have the ability from within the My St. Luke's portal to request an appointment. Patients can send that request by filling out the required fields. Education. Any educational information received as an inpatient or a clinic outpatient will automatically be published to the portal. Patient has the option to view or download education materials to their computer. Click on the title to view the material. My St. Luke's App. The My St. Luke's App brings the patient portal to your smartphone device. You can install the HealthyELife app on an Android or an App phone. For an Android, open the Google Play Store and find the HealthyE app. For an Apple phone, open the App Store and then find the HealthyELife app. For each type of phone, you will need to install the app. You will need your My St. Luke's login information to launch the application. From there, you can access your portal information and even be alerted when your physician messaged you. Privacy, security, and appropriateness. Never use your My St. Luke's app as a replacement for an emergency situation. Use it for short, non-complex questions and communications. Calling your physician's office is still the best option for complex questions. This is a secure and HIPAA-compliant application. It is designed not to be hacked from the outside world. Any difficulty gaining access is necessary to ensure your confidentiality and the security of your sensitive medical information. Validation of identity via signature or personal attendance is mandatory under federal HIPAA regulations. Troubleshooting. If ever you have an issue with your Mystukes app, contact the help desk at 1-877-621-8014. Thank you for learning more about Mystukes.
We hope you found this Mystukes patient portal tutorial helpful. Please also visit our website for updates on community classes, events, online education videos, and healthcare services St. Luke's has to offer. And thank you for joining us here at St. Luke's, where our specialty is you.